Is there? Are there? Is there a car in front of the house? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Is there a ball on the table? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Is there a TV on the books? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Are there books next to the TV? Yes, there are. No, there aren't. Are there students in the classroom? Yes, there are. No, there aren't. Are there boys in the parking lot? Yes, there are. No, there aren't. Remember to subscribe.